So, about UNICHARs and Power BI, this is a topic when you use, when you are a data analyst or some kind of report builder, and you want to use a dedicated front end for specific concatenated text or something like that, and it must look perfect. So, if you have this requirement, then this video might be for you. So, UNICHARs are basically, I've open here Gemini to explain a little bit. So using UniChar is pro move for creating light with a KPI visual indicator without the overhead of image files. This is first thing. So first you can here create all kinds of symbols or like this one, which I have used here. So this is the third option which I am presenting right now. So basically the actor 3 you can go to the front. So this is the first thing. So in my data set here, I have just some actors, and I put some data in the front end. So I want to show here for the first type here, we have just a UNICHAR with an image. So it's just a use for images. You can do very much with it, and yeah, a lot. Those look a little bit not so serious, not so professional, but you can definitely find a professional UNICHARs for dashboards. You can definitely find them, and there's a lot of positive stuff here which you can try out. But in general, yeah, that's for the first option you have. And then if you have some kind of other options, for example, this here, you want to create some line break, then you can use UNICHAR 10, and this is in this here. You see UNICHAR 10. So if I create some, for example, UNICHAR 100, then it's gone again because UNICHAR 100 is probably just a D, as it seems like. So you can also try around. What is 101? Oh, it's a E. Okay. So what is 999? It's this one. So you can do any types of UNICHARs, but this one is the line break. And the last thing I want to show is very important for people who concatenate text, because in this case here we have the problem that we want to maybe indent the text where John Ham should start where my mouse now is. So how to do this? To do this, we can use instead of like this, because it doesn't work. I tried it, but it doesn't work. So we have to use not this, but instead UNICHAR 18, you know, 94, for example, to do this. And we can also stack those. That's the nice thing. And let's just try it out, and you will see. Ah, okay, there's the indentation, which we wanted to have. So yes, and if you need this is like a bonus now, a bonus. So if you need some kind of matrix or table in Power BI, which is where all of the indentations should look the same, then you have to use a font which is monospace. So for example, here for the values, you can put here, I don't know which one is monospace, but I think Consolas is monospace. So Consolas is monospace, which means that every where is it? Is it Cambria Math? This one is definitely no. This one is not. Yeah, console Courier New is definitely monospace. So as you see here, the all of the basically all of the um, letters and symbols and everything is the same length, the same width in this language. So the E is the same as the point, and the zero is the same as the E, and so forth and so on. So, but in this case, with the 81, with the 8194, we bring this a little bit in shake, because you see here it's out of sync. Because, but normally, if you would see here Emilia, so it's right on every letter is correct, but here this is kind of indented because of this one. But you can also find like specific indentation. What is a white space, which has exactly UNICHAR for a white, which is exactly the length of a normal letter. So those you can also find if you want. UNICHAR 32 would be some kind of option here. So let's try it out. So let's try out to indent exactly to the point here. So we would need 3 of the 32s because, yeah. Okay, it doesn't work for now. Doesn't work. The figure space. Ah, okay, this is a standard space. That's why it doesn't work. So it's like you would put here like this, but this doesn't work. So we need something else. Maybe the 8199 would make the trick here. Oh, it seems very good. Yeah, look at this. The 8199 is right perfect here in sync or indented with the other one. So just to make clear, we can add the UNICHAR, another UNICHAR here for which was the 101, and you see, okay, it's right on the same. So if you ever need some kind of table which has to be indented perfectly properly, then you can use monospatial languages because they will be consistent. Yes. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. This has been quite longer than expected, but you know, in Power BI you can also play around and it takes a long time to get used. So yeah, contact me whenever you want and I will reach out for your guys' attention. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.